Have you ever explained something and the other person clearly didn't get it? You walk away thinking you were clear, but somehow the message didn't land the way you expected. They heard you, but they weren't really listening. And that can lead to confusion, mistakes, and unnecessary frustration in the workplace. Most people think listening just means staying quiet while the other person talks. But just being silent doesn't mean you're actually understanding what's being said. But active listening isn't just listening, it actually includes speaking. It's about how you respond, how you show engagement, and how you confirm meaning during the conversation. First, give your full attention. That means removing distractions and making a conscious effort to focus on the person speaking. No phone, no multitasking, just being fully present in the conversation. Even small distractions can miss important details. Second, show that you're listening. Let the other person see that you're engaged and following what they're saying. Small things like nodding or saying okay make a big difference. They signal that you're paying attention and encourage the speaker to continue. And don't interrupt. Even if you think you know what they're going to say, let them finish so you don't miss key information. Third, check your understanding. Don't assume you've interpreted the message correctly. Take a moment to confirm it. This is where you reflect back what you've heard. This is called paraphrasing. It helps make sure both people are aligned before moving forward. So if someone gives you information, you repeat the meaning back in your own words to confirm you've understood correctly. This reduces the risk of miscommunication and gives the other person a chance to clarify if needed. Let's see how this works in a real workplace conversation.
We're going to need to shift priorities on this. The current timeline isn't going to work anymore.
Yeah.
I'll need the report ready by Friday.
Yeah. So Friday's the deadline for delivering the report?
Yes, but I do need to see it before it goes out.
Got it. I'll make sure the draft is ready on Thursday. That way, you have time to review it before Friday.
That timing is critical, and without clarifying it, the work could easily be delivered too late. When you listen properly, you reduce mistakes, build better relationships, and solve problems faster. It creates clearer communication and helps everyone work more effectively together. Active listening isn't complicated, but it does take effort. It's a skill that improves with practice and intention over time. Listen to understand, not just to respond. That simple shift can completely change the quality of your communication. Before you go, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video with more practical workplace tips. And check out the next video to keep building your skills.